What's up, guys? So I know it's been a little bit since I posted anything, but today I'm back and I'm working on this thing. I apologize for any wind noise. It's a little windy out here, but if you didn't know, I've had a lot of cooling issues with this car. So mainly my thermostat's not opening. I know that because my bottom radiator hose is staying cold, my top one's getting hot, starts to overheat because it's not flowing all the way to the bottom. Whatever. I've put a lower temp thermostat in it before. I've taken the thermostat out before, which works, but then you have too much flow and it doesn't cool down once it gets hot. I now have an OEM thermostat, a Nissan OEM thermostat in it. That still didn't work, so I'm thinking there might be a blockage in the radiator, and kind of wanted to get a new radiator anyway. So I got a Koyo radiator, Koyo cap. I'm gonna do a water pump right here, Gates water pump, while I'm at it. Might as well, part of the cooling system. It's the only thing I haven't replaced now. When I put the radiator in, that'll be the only thing I hadn't replaced, so I'm just gonna do it anyway. So yeah, I'm gonna throw all this in, bleed it, drive it, pray, keep my fingers crossed, hope for the best. So I'll sit you guys up while I do all this. Alright guys, just finished up. So as you can see, got the Koyo Rad in here now. Got the new cap. New water pump's on back there. Might be hard to see, but yep, it's on right there. I actually took my condenser out because I still had a condenser. So obviously it used to be right there. Now you can just see the radiator. It'll let more air flow into the radiator. Yeah, so the only thing I can't do yet is so my hose clamp for the bottom hose down there actually broke. I don't have another one at the moment. So I'm gonna have to go get another one. So I'm gonna go get another one, get some coolant, get some water, and then I'll lead it. But until then, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know how long it is till I'm gonna get it. I don't really feel like going to the store right now. So when I go get that stuff, I will catch back up with you. All right, guys. So it's another day back working on the 240. It's been about a week. I've been lazy. Oh well. So I got the radiator in, got the water pump in. Finally got some coolant. Got a new hose clamp. Got two different sizes. Don't know which one's gonna fit. So I'm gonna throw that hose clamp on this bottom hose real quick, put some coolant in the radiator, put my bleeder on, and get it bled. Yeah. That's what I'm doing right now.
Oh, okay. What'd you need the hose clamp for?
My lower radiator hose.
The lower one? Damn, it looks so good.
I know.
How's it fit? Like, did it go in like normal?
Yeah, no, it went the same as the other one.
Especially with no fucking condenser.
Yeah. guys. Well, I've never used the head mount before, but let's give it a try. So I just finished up bleeding the car, bleeding the coolant system. And bring some coolant water with me, just in case, of course, you know, something happens. And we're off. Clutch feels a little weird. I need to pump it up a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see the AFR gauge. One of the issues I have with this car, besides obviously the cooling system, is randomly, it doesn't happen all the time, but while I'm driving on decel, when I'm not on the gas, you know, just a decel, this my air fuel, it constantly stays 13.5, 14, where it should have no fuel. It should be adding no fuel because I'm on decel. My throttle body's closed. So it doesn't do it all the time. So like if I turn the car off and turn it back on sometimes, it'll run normally. You know, on decel it'll, you know, lean out because, you know, it doesn't need any fuel on decel. So I don't know, that's another weird part of this car, which is kind of sucks because that means a lot of extra fuel is getting in the cylinders and potentially washing out the cylinders, but it's not what we're worrying about today. We're worrying about that gauge. Whoa. Haven't driven this car in a while. I'm used to the clutch in the van now. Let's turn that down. See, that's what I mean. Just constantly dumps fuel on diesel. I hope you guys can hear me. I don't know how the wind noise is going to be. So right now we're on some low boost, which is only like 10 pounds, 10, 11 pounds. I'm gonna just drive a little bit, make sure that temp doesn't go up too high. And if it stays good, I'm just, you know, around between 170, 180, I'll put it to high boost, do a few pulls in high boost. But as of right now, 174, well, 175. Hey, that's better than every other time though. Any other time I've tried to do something, I replace the thermostats or anything, it would already be at 200 by now. 176. It's also a cold day, so I gotta drive it a little bit, get it nice and warm. Whoa, here we go again. Hear some turbo noise? Hope you guys can hear that. Too bad for just cruising. Alright, let's make a quick U-ey. only saw 180, 181-ish. Say it, but seems like we may have fixed the issue here, boys. That was what, 10.8 pounds? I got peak right here. Yeah, this is a Greddy Profect, if you guys didn't know. I'm sure I've said it before, but so many things you can do with this. Hey, hey, hey. Calm down there. This thing's pretty sick. It's got a lot of cool features. Hey, hey, whoa, hey, what are you doing? Hey, I shouldn't have said it. I knew I shouldn't have said it. I shouldn't have said it. Oh boy. Oh, I shouldn't have said it. Oh, we're overheating. God damn it. Come on. Come on. Come on, don't go any higher. Yeah, that's right, go back down. Yeah, go down a little bit. Go down. Sorry for the person I just cut off, my bad. Yep, that was way too high of temps right there. It's limpering. Oh, no power steering. Oh, ow. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's way too hot. Oh, oh, and there we go. Sweet. Well, let's, well, hold on. Oh, I'm curious. Okay, yeah. Way too hot. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's cooling everywhere. As you can see, my makeshift reservoir for now. Well, that's promising. Getting hot again. Oh look, thermostat's not open. Wouldn't you know it? Cool, cool, cool. Well, that sucks. Yeah, I can tell you this isn't open because this hose isn't even hot. This hose, on the other hand, about 250 degrees. This hose literally cold. So that's cool. Well, let me figure this out. I'll come back to you guys in a minute. All right, so I let it cool down, popped the cap, filled the radiator back up, some of that. What are we at? 172? All right. Let's let it run for a second. See what happens. It's already dropping down more. thermostat's still not opening. This hose is that the hot coolant isn't getting down the radiator up into the thermostat. Even the bottom of the radiator is still cold. That's why I was trying to pull this fuse from my fans. There we go. Let it get kind of hot. Let it get up to operating temp. That way the coolant doesn't get, let me rephrase that. So I'm pulling the fuse from my fans because I think that it's actually staying too cold. The coolant's staying too cold, and it's not allowing the hot coolant to get, you know, to the thermostat to open it. So I'm gonna pull this fuse out. I'm gonna watch my temp, let it get to about 180. Thermostat should open around 180. Hot coolant should be at the thermostat at 180, I should say. And then we'll get a roll on, hopefully. Let's see. All right, it's climbing up now. I'm gonna go throw this fuse back in. There we go. All right, thermostat housing is hot now. So that means the thermostat should be open now because we're about operating temp for these cars. Let it run again for a few minutes. Make sure it doesn't get too hot. Probably drive down this street, come back around or so. See how it goes. All right, well, seems like the heat is evenly distributed in my radiator. So, let's see what happens when I start driving, I guess. I'm just gonna go down the street. I don't know if this is a dead end. Just gonna go down the road. Turn around. I'm just a few minutes from my house, so. Oh, it is a dead end. Sweet. Actually the road I was looking for. Okay, that's not looking too bad. Oh man, I am not used to this clutch. Nice U-turn. Don't do that. Come on, do me a favor, don't get that hot. Please. Oh my god, I am embarrassed. I look like a fucking rookie. What is that? What am I doing? You guys are making me nervous. this road. Oh, man. Okay, 186 is not good. 187 is not good. What am I doing with this fucking clutch? Alright, yeah, we're gonna turn in here. It's starting to get hot again. Not staying as cool as it needs to be. Yeah, I'm not happy with that, so. Nothing in our overflow. Whoa, did more cool on, or is that just old stuff? I think that's just from, yeah, before. Okay, so that's hot. So that's still not. We're still not, I mean, we're pressurized. We got a lot of pressure in here. Like a lot of pressure. Oh, hear that? It's hot. I mean, this isn't hot though. Oh yeah, it is actually. I take that back. It's a little warm. The bottom of the radiator's cold still. What the heck, man? I don't know. Oh well, clearly that didn't fix it. So, alright. Well, I was going to add a lot more into this video, but this is very underwhelming and disappointing. So I'm probably just going to end this video here. Conclusion, that didn't fix my problem. And maybe I have to wire my fans to a switch. So, alright. That was gross. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed, because I did not enjoy this, because this car disappoints me every time I drive it. So, soon I'll be making a video on the van, as you can see over there. Got a new exhaust on that. Colin's finished with the truck, and Jacob got a new car, so stay tuned for that. So make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.